Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something super practical, how to calculate your borrowing power in Australia in 2025. Whether you are planning to buy your first home or upgrade to the new one, understanding how much you can actually borrow is the first step. And do not worry, we'll go through the real life example step by step so you can easily apply this to your own situation. First, let's understand borrowing power. Borrowing power simply means the maximum loan amount a bank will lend you. So it's depend on several factors like your income, living expenses, existing loans and debts, current interest rate, and the loan term. So generally, bank also adds something called buffer rate around 3% higher than the current rate to make sure you can still afford repayment if rates rises. Now coming back to the template, this template is fully automated. So for example, you have a monthly after tax income as 6,100 for person 1 instead of 6,100. If I make it as 8,000, if I press enter, the entire table get changed automatically. Now let's assume this is for an Australian couple buying their first home in Sydney. To calculate the borrowing power, I have segregated into 6 steps. The first step is to calculate the income. So you have the gross annual income for person 1 and person 2, and then we have other incomes and monthly after tax income for person 1 is 6,100, for person 2 is 4,800, and the total is 10,900. So we can change, as I told, we can make the changes. Let's make the changes for person 2 instead of 4,800. If I make it as 5,500 and if I press enter, so you can see the income has got increased. The next step is to calculate the expenses. So we have the living expenses of 3,500 and then car loan of 600. So other expenses again we can add. So let's take it as another 300 and I press enter. You can see the monthly income has changed from 4,100 to 4,400. So this is the expenses, and the third step is to find out the surplus. So here, so we have the income of 11,600 and the monthly total expense is 4,400. The difference of income and expenses will be the surplus. Step 4 is to calculate your monthly repayment for every 100,000. So for this, I use function called PMT in Excel. The first argument is rate, so we have 6.2% per annum. However, as I told in the previous slide, the bank will add another 3% buffer as per APRA. So total percentage is 9.2% divided by, since we want a monthly repayment capacity, so I divide by 12, comma, and then we have a loan term of 30 years. So let me type it as 30 multiplied by 12, comma, and then the present value will be 100,000, close bracket, press enter. So you get the monthly repayment for every 100,000. Step 5 is to calculate the total borrowing power. For this, I take the surplus amount. This is the income against expenses, whatever we got the surplus, divided by what we have here, that's monthly. Press enter. So you get the total borrowing power. Now, what I do is I take this total borrowing power multiplied by 100,000, press enter. This will give me the total repayment capacity. Now, assuming that the project cost is 1 million, so we need to see what will be the deposit for the property price. To calculate that, I have typed it for 1 million. I just need to give a formula here. Let's take 1 million here minus and whatever the capacity what we have calculated, press enter. So this will give me the deposit total, that is 120,000. So overall you could offer 1 million. So I hope this video is useful, and in case if you want to use this template, please request for the template. I can share you via email. Thank you.